Sony appears poised to push the boundaries of high-resolution mirrorless cameras with the rumored Sony A7R VI, a model that could redefine what photographers and hybrid shooters expect from full-frame APS-C systems. Far from a simple refresh, the A7R VI is rumored to bring groundbreaking improvements in resolution, speed, and functionality, blending extreme image detail with faster performance, advanced autofocus, and professional-level video capabilities. Early leaks suggest that this could transform the A7R series from a specialized high-resolution stills camera into a versatile hybrid tool for photographers, videographers, and creators who demand both. At the heart of the buzz is a rumored 80-megapixel backside illuminated stacked sensor. On paper, this sounds like a pure numbers race, but insiders indicate it could dramatically improve dynamic range, low-light performance, and color depth while simultaneously increasing sensor readout speeds. Rolling shutter has historically been a weak point for high-resolution cameras, limiting their usefulness for fast-moving subjects. If Sony succeeds in combining extreme resolution with rapid readout, the A7R VI could handle motion far better than previous R-series models, opening new opportunities for wildlife, sports, and event photographers who need detail without compromise. Complementing the sensor, the A7R VI is rumored to feature a next-generation AI autofocus system, surpassing the already impressive capabilities of the A7R V. This system could recognize and track humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with exceptional precision. In practice, this would mean more predictable results during fast action sequences, fewer missed shots, and a more confident shooting experience. When paired with the stacked sensor, autofocus would operate more smoothly and accurately, even during rapid bursts or complex compositions, effectively minimizing the traditional trade-off between high resolution and speed. Historically, the A7R line has focused almost exclusively on stills, with video capabilities as a secondary consideration. That may be changing with the A7R VI, which leaks suggest could support 8K video at 30 frames per second with minimal crop, oversampled 4K at higher frame rates, internal 10-bit recording, and professional color profiles. Improved sensor readout and enhanced heat management would make long recording sessions more stable, further cementing the camera's hybrid potential. If accurate, this would represent a significant shift in the A7R's identity, offering a professional tool for both stills and video without compromising one for the other. For photographers weighing whether to stick with the A7R V or wait for the A7R VI, the decision may hinge on workflow needs. The A7R V remains a capable high-resolution camera, excelling in controlled environments such as studio, landscape, and architectural photography. The A7R VI's rumored advantages, faster readout, advanced AI autofocus, and robust video functionality, will only be relevant to those whose work involves motion-heavy photography, hybrid shooting, or professional video projects. For many photographers, the A7R V will remain more than sufficient, making the wait for the new model less urgent. Price and timing also factor heavily into the decision. Rumors place the A7R VI between $4,200 and $4,500, targeting professional photographers and demanding hybrid shooters rather than casual users. Sony historically announces flagship cameras early in the year, often around CES or CP Plus events, with shipping following months later. While anticipation is high, practical considerations, like ongoing projects and immediate needs, may outweigh the benefits of waiting for an unconfirmed model. Photographers must balance patience with practicality, particularly when the current generation already delivers exceptional performance. Sony's approach to innovation has been deliberate and methodical, as seen in prior models like the A9 series. These cameras established a reputation for reliability, speed, and precision, creating tools that professionals could trust in fast-paced environments. The A7R VI seems to take a similar approach, combining lessons from previous high-end models with technological advances, including stacked sensors and AI-assisted autofocus. This combination has the potential to reduce motion blur, improve tracking accuracy, and maintain image quality in situations that would challenge earlier R-series cameras. Stacked sensor technology is central to the A7R VI's potential. By increasing readout speed, stacked sensors reduce rolling shutter, allow sustained burst shooting, and enable full autofocus tracking between frames. For professionals who shoot wildlife, sports, or fast-action events, these capabilities could be transformative. High-resolution cameras often force compromises between detail and speed. The A7R VI may remove that compromise, delivering both without trade-offs. Photographers could capture long bursts of raw images with consistent tracking, opening creative possibilities that were previously limited by technology. Video capabilities are another key area where the A7R VI may break new ground. Oversampled 4K and high-resolution internal recording could provide filmmakers with exceptional clarity and flexibility in post-production. Enhanced heat management ensures that the sensor and processor can maintain performance during extended takes. For hybrid shooters, this means fewer restrictions, reduced need for multiple cameras, and greater confidence that their gear will perform consistently in the field. Sony's sensor technology, including industrial prototypes such as global shutter designs, demonstrates the company's capacity to balance speed, resolution, and noise control. While these high-end prototypes are not intended for consumer cameras, they indicate the expertise required to produce sensors that excel in all three areas. If the A7R VI incorporates similar innovations, it could deliver clean ISO performance, excellent dynamic range, and highly reliable autofocus, even under challenging shooting conditions. For professionals, this combination of technical refinement and real-world usability is critical. Ergonomics and usability are also expected to improve. Leaks suggest a deeper grip, refined button layout, and a high-resolution EVF that maintains sharpness even at maximum refresh rates. Faster memory card interfaces and larger buffers would improve shooting efficiency, while thoughtful body design would reduce fatigue during extended use. These refinements, combined with the rumored sensor and processing upgrades, would create a camera that is both capable and comfortable to operate in demanding situations. Ultimately, trust and reliability remain the defining factors for professional photographers. The Sony A7R VI has the potential to combine extreme resolution with advanced autofocus and hybrid video capabilities, establishing a new standard for full-frame mirrorless cameras. For those who shoot landscapes, sports, wildlife, studio work, or hybrid projects, the rumored improvements could offer unmatched flexibility, precision, and confidence in every frame. By integrating cutting-edge sensor technology, AI-driven autofocus, and robust video features, the A7R VI could become a versatile, future-proof tool for demanding creators. In conclusion, the Sony A7R VI represents a potential leap forward for the A7R line in high-resolution mirrorless cameras in general. With an 80MP stacked sensor, next-generation AI autofocus, faster readout, rolling shutter mitigation, and advanced hybrid video features, the camera could redefine professional expectations. While the A7R V remains an excellent tool today, the A7R VI promises meaningful improvements for photographers and videographers who demand speed, precision, and versatility. If the rumors are accurate, the A7R VI could become a benchmark for full-frame hybrid performance, combining extreme detail with real-world usability.